How to remove subscribers from your YouTube account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch any browser that you have on your device. I'm going for Google Chrome and then simply search for youtube.com over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account over here, and as you're logged into your account, make sure you have your desktop side on. Now select on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on view your channel. As you tap on view your channel, you'll be able to see the option of customize channel option. So let's tap on customize channel. Now this will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the channel customization section. So here you can see the different options over here regarding changing your profile picture, display name, handle, and so on. Now all we need to do is tap on the dashboard of the YouTube channel, and as we do that, we can see the current subscribers. But when we tap on it, we can see we do not have the option to tap on it and see who they are for now. So we can tap and go to channel analytics, and even though what we get into channel analytics, we do not get to report or remove the subscribers from the YouTube account. The max we can do is report them or just block them, but we'll not be able to remove them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.